What's up everybody, my name is Bobby and today I actually have a really quick video for you guys. Now for those of you who own the Apple HomePod Mini or any of the devices in the Apple ecosystem, but also maybe own different sound gear, it's definitely been a question that I've been posed at my job whether or not I can use a HomePod along with products like Sonos. So before getting the HomePod, I personally had all Sonos gear, and I still do. It's in both the rooms in my apartment, and I use it all the time. I really love it. But recently I got a HomePod, and I was trying to figure out if there was a way to kind of integrate the two together. Now, as far as finding a way to have the HomePod be integrated with the Sonos soundbar, for example, for things like watching TV, that is something that I still have yet to figure out. So if that's what you came to this video looking for, unfortunately this won't be much help to you. But I did find a pretty straightforward way. I mean, it's not rocket science or anything, but I'd like to show it to you guys of how to play like a podcast or music on your Sonos speakers along with your HomePod at the same exact time. Now, for those of you who don't know, probably my favorite feature of the HomePod Mini is if you are playing a song on your phone and you want to play it on the speaker itself, literally all you have to do is just tap your phone to the actual device itself, and you can see as you get closer and closer to it, the phone starts vibrating and it says move closer, and then once it's touched there, it should be transferred over. Yeah, I wasn't playing it, that's why I didn't play immediately. But now, as for the next step, say I want to have it playing on my HomePod Mini, and then I also want to have it playing on the Sonos soundbar in my bedroom or on the setup I have in my living room, which would be like an Arc and the sub and a couple other speakers. So you're gonna go to your phone, and then if you see this little blue button right down here, this is going to be your AirPlay button. You tap on this guy and it'll actually show you all the different devices that are AirPlay compatible within, you know, the network or your proximity. And so for me, I'm going to tap on bedroom because that's going to trigger that Sonos speaker over there. And then now, as you see, it's kind of lumped the two different things together. So I usually have this HomePod in the kitchen, but for this video, I just kind of moved it all to one room. So I can actually adjust the room of each, or the volume of each speaker. This little drop-down window, it shows you how loud the volume of the kitchen speaker is, which would be this HomePod, along with how loud the actual Sonos soundbar is going to be. So now if I play it, it's coming from the HomePod. So overall, nothing crazy, nothing, you know, super hard to figure out. It's honestly probably pretty straightforward, and I'm sure some of you out there figured that out without having to watch this video. But I had that thought myself, and I've had customers ask me that before, so I figured I'd make a video. So if somebody decides to Google does Sonos speaker work with HomePod, they would hopefully find an answer. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment down below if you've tried this or anything else, or if you have any other tips similar to that. I also have 2 ongoing giveaways going on right now, so if you want to check those out, the link to those will be down in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Riding, that's my baby right beside me, never know where you gon' find